Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how you can create inquiry forms and share that with the parents for the new registrations that are coming in. For that, you go to inquiries and go to inquiry forms. Now on the right hand side you have create form, and over here from these three options you click on inquiry. Now you can go ahead and use the templates that we have given over here, make certain changes based on your school requirement and create a form, or you can also use a AI form creator and create a form based on your school's requirement by uploading an image or giving an AI prompt. And if you wish to create a form from scratch, you can also do that by clicking on start form from scratch and create. Now, when you do that, you will land on a page that looks something like this, where you have system field and new field. Now, system fields are profile fields coming in from center management for student, mother, and father. Now, if you can directly go ahead and click on these fields and those fields will be created. You can also drag drop the option that you see and the field will be automatically created. And once you have done that, these fields will be here, and on the left hand side we have new field, and these fields are also known as custom fields, where you can go ahead and create fields and collect information and name the fields as per your requirement. For example, if I want to go ahead and collect a date and I want it to be the student's date of birth, I can do that, and the parents can given this information. And while you're creating this custom field, you can also go ahead and map this custom field to an existing field that is there in the student profile, so that when parents are making submission and when you admit the child, these information automatically get synced to the student profile, and any information that is not mapped to the student profile will always stay in the inquiry form, and you can go ahead and come back to the inquiries and collect this information and add it to the student profile. And once you have created the form, you can simply click on preview to see how the form is going to look like when the parents open it. On the left hand side, you can make a certain level of changes to the form on how it is going to look like with respect to the background, the text color, the background color, and the font size and type. Once that is done, on the right hand side we have sync. Now when you click here, you will see all the fields that are there in this form, and you can also see all the fields that are mapped to the student profile and which are not mapped to the student profile. Now if you want to map it to any profile, you can simply click here, go ahead and select the field that you want to map it to, and if everything looks good, you can go ahead and publish it. Now when you publish it, you can go ahead and give this form a name, and you can also configure a form display name which will be visible to the parents. And then you can choose a category. You can go ahead and choose the centers you want to copy this form to. You can also choose whether you want to notify staff members every time there's a submission on this form, whether it is on the app or is it on both app or email. So you can simply click that and choose the staff members that you want to notify. You can also choose when you want to disable responses from this form. So after a particular date, the parents will not be able to make submissions on this form. And then you can also add a URL over here which will redirect the parents after they make a submission. And then you can simply click on OK and your form will be created. You can click on OK again and the form will be saved. Thank you.